Hello students. Today our topic is application of M-commerce. Application of M-commerce. M-commerce means mobile commerce. We have already seen about our chapter number 4, that is e-commerce and application of e-commerce. We have already know about application of e-commerce. Now we have to say application of M-commerce. Application means what? First of all, tell me. Application means we are using e-commerce and m-commerce in each and every term. We are using in each and every term. So we have to learn about application of m-commerce e-commerce. Application means આનો યુઝ ક્યાં ક્યાં કરીએ છીએ આપણે, આ બધા જ ફિલ્ડમાં એનો યુઝ થાય છે. That's why we have to say application of m-commerce. First of all, tell me e-commerce, m-commerce. E-commerce means electronic commerce, m-commerce means mobile commerce. E-commerce means what? If you want to do your business online, then it is known as e-commerce, electronic commerce. I want to do my business online, but how can I do it? By using mobile devices, gadgets, electronic gadgets, and it is known as m-commerce. Clear? Electronic gadgets, that is wireless devices, laptop, laptop and cell phone. So all devices are known as mobile devices, and it is known as mobile commerce. The first application, can you see total 7 number of applications are there. The first application is mobile marketing and advertising. Mobile marketing and advertising. Application of e-commerce and application of m-commerce both are very similar to each other, because if you want to do your business online, then you have to use e-commerce. If you want to do your business online, then you have to use mobile devices, and that is m-commerce. It means e-commerce and m-commerce બંને એકબીજા પર ડિપેન્ડેડ છે. In e-commerce, the fourth application, that is marketing and selling, and in m-commerce our first application, that is marketing and advertising. Clear? First, mobile marketing and advertising, it means what? If you want to do your business online, then you have to do some marketing for your business, you have to do some advertising for your business, for your products. And if you want to do your business online, then you have to do marketing and advertising online. You are doing your business online electronically, then you have to do your business, you have to do your marketing, business marketing, your business advertising online. ઓનલાઈન બિઝનેસ કરો તો માર્કેટિંગ બી ઓનલાઈન જ કરવું પડે. સો ફર્સ્ટ એપ્લિકેશન, દેટ ઇઝ મોબાઈલ માર્કેટિંગ એન્ડ એડવર્ટાઇઝિંગ. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, I want to do my business online, then first of all I have to do marketing for my business. I have to print catalog for my business. I have to apply some offers for my business at initial level, so my business can grow more and more. That's why I have to do some marketing for it. I have to do some marketing for it. Clear? I have to do some advertising for it. So our first application, that is mobile marketing and advertising. Clear? Mobile marketing and advertising. Internet has become a major source nowadays. Internet અત્યારે બહુ જ યુઝફુલ થાય છે, બધા જ લોકો એનો યુઝ કરે છે. અને ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ ટુ ડુ યોર બિઝનેસ ઓનલાઈન, અને જો એમાં તમારે બિઝનેસ ઓનલાઈન કરવો હોય તો તમારે એના માટે માર્કેટિંગ ઓનલાઈન કરવું પડે. If you want to do your business online, then you have to do your business marketing online, you have to do some business advertising online. Clear? So your first application, that is mobile marketing and advertising. Second, mobile ticket. Mobile ticket, it is known as e-ticket. It is known as e-ticket. E-ticket matlab electronic ticket. E-ticket means what? Electronic ticket. Mobile ticket is also known as e-ticket. Mobile ticket is also known as e-ticket. Clear? If you want to book your movie ticket, if you want to do hotel booking, if you want to book hotels, if you want to book restaurant, if you want to book railway flight reservation, then you can do it by electronically, and it is known as e-tickets, that is electronic tickets. Clear? You can do all this booking by using mobile electronically. That's why it is known as mobile ticket. Clear? Mobile ticket can reduce your traveling time, your traveling cost. Clear? So it is useful. E-ticket can reduce your traveling time, your traveling cost, parking problem, all these benefits you have. If you want to do if you want to book your ticket online, then you can do it by using electronically, and એનામાં બહુ બધા advantages છે. But clear. Third is mobile auction. In the fourth chapter we have already seen about online auction. Now we have to see mobile auction. Auction means what? Nilami. Auction means what? Nilami. Auction means nilami. And auction, it is the process of buying and selling the products. Auction means what? It is the process. કઈ process છે? Buying and selling products. If you want to buy your products, or if you want to sell your products, then you can do it. Or service by offering the customer to beat the price. અને આમાં કેવી રીતે કરવાનું આવે? Bid the price ને bid કરવાનું. It means બોલી બોલવાની. And selling the product to the highest bidder. અને પ્રોડક્ટ કોને આપવાની? જે સૌથી વધારે પૈસા બોલે એને, highest bidder. Clear. If you want to do your product online, if you want to do online auction, then you can do it by using this website: eBay, online auction, MyBids and UBids. If I want to sell my house, then I can register my house in eBay or online auction or MyBids or UBids. Clear. મારા ઘરને વેચવું છે, નીલામી કરાવી છે, ઓપ્શન કરાવવું છે ઓનલાઈન, then I have to use eBay, online auction, MyBids or UBids. આ ચારમાંથી કોઈ બી એક વેબસાઇટ યુઝ કરવી પડે, રજિસ્ટ્રેશન કરાવવું પડે. પછી જેને આ વસ્તુ ખરીદવી હોય તે આ ચાર વેબસાઇટમાંથી કોઈ પણ વેબસાઇટમાં આવે, જોઈ અને બિડ કરે પ્રાઇસ, અને જે હાઈએસ્ટ બિડર હોય હું એને આપી દઉં. એન્ડ ઇટ ઇઝ નોન એઝ મોબાઈલ ઓપ્શન. Clear. This auction is done by using mobile. That's why it is known as mobile auction. Mobile means what? Laptop, palm top or cell phones. All these devices are known as mobile. Can you see? First, mobile marketing and advertising. Second, mobile ticket. Third, mobile auction. Fourth, mobile entertainment. Fifth, mobile purchase. Sixth, mobile financial service. Seven, mobile information service. Can you see the word mobile? And mobile, it means not only cell phone, laptop, palm top or cell phone. All these devices are known as mobile. Clear. So third is mobile auction. If you want to do online auction, then you can do it by using this website, and you can do it by using mobile devices. That's why it is known as mobile auction. Clear. Nowadays auction sites are becoming more popular. Nowadays these auction sites are becoming more popular. અત્યારે આનો યુઝ પણ વધતો જાય છે. Clear. Now fourth, mobile entertainment. Entertainment means what? Entertainment service like download, upload movies, audios, videos, photos. Clear. Subscription. All these things you can do it online by using laptop, palm top, cell phones, mobile devices. That's why it is known as mobile entertainment. Clear. Mobile devices are used for listening audio, viewing video and playing games. Mobile device no use એના માટે થાય? ઓડિયો સાંભળવા, વિડીયો જોવા અને ગેમ્સ રમવા. Clear. If you want to download audio video, if you want to upload audio video, if you want to play any games, then you can do it by using mobile devices. Clear. If you want to search something, you can do it. And all these things, uploading, downloading audio, video, games, all these things are considered as a entertainment. Clear. Number 5, mobile purchase. Mobile purchase, it means what? If you want to do online shopping, then you can do it by electronically by using mobile devices, and it is known as mobile purchase. It means what? Mobile purchase it allows customer to shop online anytime, anywhere. શું કરે? કસ્ટમરને અલાઉ કરે ટુ શોપ ઓનલાઈન શોપિંગ કરવા માટે એનીવેર એની ટાઈમ, ગમે તેટલા વાગે ગમે તે પ્લેસ પરથી કસ્ટમર શોપિંગ કરી શકે. કસ્ટમર કેન બ્રાઉઝ ધેર પ્રોડક્ટ and order that product while using secure પેમેન્ટ મેથડ. કસ્ટમર ઓર્ડર પરચેસ કરી શકે, ઓર્ડર સિલેક્ટ કરી શકે, પ્રોડક્ટ એને ઓર્ડર આપી શકે અને મંગાવી શકે. ક્લિયર. Instead of using paper catalog, physical store, nowadays online shopping becoming more popular. અત્યારે ઓનલાઈન શોપિંગ વધારે ચાલી રહ્યું છે એઝ કમ્પેર ટુ ટ્રેડિશનલ કોમર્સ. ક્લિયર. સો નંબર 5 ઇઝ મોબાઈલ પરચેસ. પરચેસ મતલબ શોપિંગ, મોબાઈલ મતલબ you can do it by using these wireless devices. That's why it is known as mobile purchase. Clear. Number 6, mobile financial service. Mobile financial service, it means what? If you want to do your banking transaction online, then you can do it by using electronically, by using wireless devices. That's why it is known as mobile purchase. Can you tell me the difference between net banking and mobile financial service? Net banking means what? Same, the process of conducting the banking transaction over the internet. Clear. And mobile financial service, it means what? Same thing, you can do all this banking transaction by using mobile devices, so it is known as mobile financial service. You can do it by using this website, www.bankofbaroda.in, www.iob.in, www.denabank.in. Clear. Many popular banks and financial institution use m-commerce. ઘણી બેંકો અને ફાઇનાન્શિયલ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ આ m-commerceનો યુઝ હવે કરે છે. ક્લિયર. દે અલાઉ ધેર કસ્ટમર, તેઓ કસ્ટમરને અલાઉ કરે છે. શેના માટે અલાઉ કરે? ટુ એક્સેસ ધેર અકાઉન્ટ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન. અકાઉન્ટની ઇન્ફોર્મેશન જોવી હોય, ડેબિટ ક્રેડિટ જોવા હોય, ડે ટુ ડે ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન જોવા હોય તો તે અલાઉ કરે. ક્લિયર. શું કરે બીજું? ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન ડે ટુ ડેના જે ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન હોય, જેમ કે સ્ટોક પરચેસ, પછી રીમેટ મની વાયા મોબાઈલ ફોન્સ ઓર અધર મોબાઈલ ઇક્વિપમેન્ટ. આનાથી તમે ઇન શોર્ટ તમે પૈસા ટ્રાન્સફર કરો છો, જે બી તમે પૈસાનું કામ કરો છો, જે બી ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન કરો છો, તો એ બધી વસ્તુમાં એ અલાઉ કરે છે. કોણ? m-commerce. નંબર 7, મોબાઈલ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન સર્વિસ. મોબાઈલ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન સર્વિસ, ઇટ મીન્સ વોટ? મોબાઈલ information service, it means mobile information service can be delivered to mobile phone users. આપણે જે યુઝર્સ છે જે તેને બધા જ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન, જે બધા ન્યૂઝ છે તે ડે ટુ ડે અપડેટ આવી જ જાય છે. કેવા કેવા ન્યૂઝ? તો ન્યૂઝ સર્વિસ, ન્યૂઝનું જે બી કંઈ હોય તે મળી જાય. ફાઇનાન્શિયલ રેકોર્ડ આપણને મોબાઈલ થ્રુ મળી જાય. સ્ટોક માર્કેટિંગ ડેટા, શેર બજારનું હોય તે મળે. ટ્રાફિક રેકોર્ડ્સ, સ્પોર્ટ્સ ન્યૂઝ, ટ્રાફિક ઇન્ફોર્મેશન, બોલિવૂડ ન્યૂઝ, એન્ટરટેનમેન્ટ ન્યૂઝ. ક્લિયર. આપણને આ બધી જ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન, આ બધી જ સર્વિસ પ્રોવાઈડ કરે. કોણ? મોબાઈલ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન સર્વિસ. ક્લિયર. Now last and very short topic, that is L-commerce. L-commerce means location commerce. L-commerce means location commerce. We have already seen about e-commerce. First is e-commerce. E-commerce means electronic commerce. Second is m-commerce. M-commerce means mobile commerce. And third is L-commerce. L-commerce means location commerce. Mind well. E means what? Electronic. Electronic means online. Electronic means what? Online. M means mobile. Mobile means all wireless devices, that is laptop, palm top and cell phone. And L-commerce is location. L means what? Location. And you know very well about location. So we have to see L-commerce, that is location commerce. L-commerce, it is the use of technology. L-commerce means what? It is the use of technology which provide the location information for business purpose. It provides location information. Which type of information? Location information for business purpose, and it is known as L-commerce. And for it you can use GPS. GPS means what? Global Positioning System. G stands for global, P stands for positioning, and S stands for system. Clear. GPS, Global Positioning System. Mobile device can use to get direction to particular place. Mobile devices કેન બી યુઝ. મોબાઈલ ડિવાઇસ યુઝ થાય છે એના માટે ટુ ગેટ ડાયરેક્શન ટુ પર્ટિક્યુલર પ્લેસ. કઈ પ્લેસ ક્યાં આવેલી છે એનું ડાયરેક્શન બતાવે. મૂવી થિયેટર્સ, રેસ્ટોરન્ટ્સ, હોસ્પિટલ્સ એન્ડ અધર સચ પ્લેસીસ. તમને હોટલ્સ, હોસ્પિટલ, જીમ્સ, મોલ્સ શોધવું હોય તો યુ કેન ડુ ઇટ બાય યુઝિંગ એલ કોમર્સ. ક્લિયર? તમારા આજુબાજુના એરિયામાં કેટલી હોટલ છે, તમારા આજુબાજુના એરિયામાં કેટલા જીમ છે, તમારા આજુબાજુના એરિયામાં મોલ્સ છે, કયા મોલ્સ છે, કયું મોલ તમારા ઘરથી કેટલું દૂર છે, બધી જ વસ્તુ તમે સર્ચ કરી શકો ને શોધી શકો. ક્લિયર? So L-commerce is also useful. The use of technology which provide the location information. The use of technology which provide location information for business purpose. Which purpose? Business purpose, and it is known as L-commerce. And for it, GPS is useful. Global Positioning System. Clear?